Hello Shark Tank, welcome to my home. My name's Adam Stoker and I live in St. George, Utah. I've worked at advertising agencies for the last 5 years. 2 years ago, I decided to move my family down to St. George and relocate. We love the scenery and the slow pace so much that we decided to put down roots and build a home. Come on in.
We love our home. It's everything we ever wanted. Our builder did an incredible job and we're excited to raise our family here. However, we didn't always feel this way.
Throughout the process of construction, we got really frustrated. The foreman on the job had a really hard time communicating efficiently. We had a difficult time getting him to send us emails to document communication, and several times we found out about decision deadlines just right before they were due. The paint color you see here actually wasn't always this color. We got a phone call just a couple of hours before we had to make the decision. We made the wrong decision and ended up having to pay the builder to repaint it.
After speaking with friends and family about our frustrations, I found that this interaction between home builders and their clients is not unique to my home, but most people who have built a home have had a similar experience. It wasn't my builder's fault. I realized that even though home builders have a ton of tools, the most important one was missing.
So that's when I called my twin brother and we got to work. Adam and I have always wanted to go into business together. When we were young, we used to take bark off of trees and scrape it against the sidewalk till it looked like an arrowhead and sell them to the neighborhood kids. Since then, we've always had that entrepreneurial spirit and an ability to sell. So when Adam brought me Progress PI, I was pumped because I knew it solved the problem in the home building industry, and more importantly, I knew we could sell it. The response since then has been phenomenal. And I know with an investment from the Sharks that this thing will take off and we can fulfill our lifelong dream of starting a business together.
My business is Progress PI. Progress PI is a mobile application that allows home builders to communicate more efficiently with their clients without creating extra work. Within the app, home builders can take and upload photos that are immediately available for the homeowner to view. Progress PI also has a discussion section where all communication is documented, protecting both sides from misunderstanding. Home builders can update a milestone calendar, informing clients of upcoming decision deadlines. The home plans are uploaded and available for both parties to review in detail. Finally, the most valuable part of the mobile application for home builders, the change order section. Builders can create and submit change orders for approval by the client, and all this within a simple, easy-to-use mobile application.
In any transaction, the customer experience is paramount, and home builders don't currently have a tool that focuses on their clients. Progress PI is amazing. I truly believe that this product can change the home building industry forever. I want this company to become a resource for home builders, constantly improving their interaction with customers and getting rid of the negative stigma that they have as far as customer service goes. After working on the idea and perfecting it over the course of a year, we decided to enter it into a business plan competition in the state of Utah. We got to the finals. At the finals, we were going to have to be there for a few days. I realized it was time to tell my boss, Eric Sorensen, what I'd been working on nightly for the past year.
Having worked with home builders for over 10 years in the ad agency world, running a successful ad agency, I was approached by Adam about Progress PI, and I was blown away. Adam's story to me really hit home because I'd heard that story over and over again from clients, from the experience. It's always the same. Home builders are so fantastic at building homes, but they're not necessarily great at the customer experience or the client experience. Knowing the intricacies of the building process, I quickly saw how Progress PI could make a substantial difference in the communication process for home builders, and I had to be a part of it. We started with our launch at the 2013 National Association of Home Builders show in Las Vegas. What we received were hundreds of leads, invaluable feedback from dozens of home builders saying to us, hey, you know what, it'd be great if we had this, or it'd be great if we had that. In addition, we had several builders come up to us and say, this is the most exciting, the most innovative thing we have seen at the entire conference thus far.
Adam, let me just say, I don't know why I stopped here, but your sign got my attention. And of all the products that we've looked at so far, this is by far the most innovative, funnest, most needed tool that I could use as a builder right now where we're at.
I am seeking $150,000 in exchange for 15% of my company. The response has been amazing. Even Home Depot is interested in a partnership with us. We've invested $22,000 into this business along with thousands of hours. We've created an iPhone application and we've exhausted all of our personal resources as far as we can. Our biggest challenge has been the fact that there are so many different mobile platforms, but each platform costs a significant amount of money to develop. Now that we've proven the concept and gotten several paying customers, we need the money to version out the application across all mobile platforms, protect our product, and get into more trade shows. If we don't get the investment from the sharks, this amazing product may not be able to make the difference in the home building industry that I know it can.
The need for Progress PI is not unique to the home building industry. I've been approached by mortgage companies, attorneys, real estate agents, and collision centers, and many other people that feel like this concept of project management that incorporates the end user would be perfect for their business. All we need is the resources to take this idea to almost every service-oriented industry in the world.